So once again, a very warm welcome to all of you to this session. This is our 12th session of this training. And in this session, we are going to talk about, I'm going to teach you some 10 basic principles to get success in affiliate marketing business. That's what I'm going to show you today. That what are the basic principles which you need to adopt, you need to implement, you need to adopt to get success in the affiliate marketing business. So that's today's topic, what we are going to discuss. And after that, we will have a question and answer session. Yogesh Prajapati, yes, I have already uploaded all the sessions in the evening today, and I've also updated in the group, Facebook group. I have updated that session 7 to session 11. I have already uploaded there, so it's done. Thank you. Okay, so today's topic is basic principles to get success in affiliate marketing business. That's what we are going to talk about today. And after that, we will have question and answer session. So I will address your queries, whatever the challenges you are facing in this business, whatever your queries, I'm going to address that. Okay, so hope it's exciting. All right, so let's start. And till I complete this topic and I come to the question and answer session, I request everyone to hold your questions. Please do not send any messages in between, because that will be disturbing, isn't it? Okay, so let's start. So as I said, we are going to discuss about the 10 basic principles to get success in affiliate marketing business. And the very first, number one principle is that treat this as a real business. Okay, so I'm talking about affiliate marketing. It's not only about $25 one-up. It's any affiliate marketing. All these principles which I'm telling you, this is implemented in any affiliate marketing you do. Okay, so it's not only about $25 one-up, but of course we are doing $25 one-up, so you need to implement this there. So any affiliate marketing, you need to treat this as a real business, and that is where the problem is. Most of the people fail because they don't treat online business or affiliate marketing business as a real business. For example, let's say, for example, you're doing any offline business, any traditional business. When I say traditional business, let's say, for example, you're opening a showroom or a shop, something. You will be investing lakhs of money there. And the commitment what you will have to that business, people don't bring that commitment here. Yes, here the investment is very, very minimum, but not the business potential. Business potential is as huge or even more than what you will have in traditional business, right? So, but the potential you will be able to utilize, you will be able to capitalize only if you bring the same commitment what you bring from there. If you do not bring that same commitment, like for example, you open a shop, what will you do? You will go shop every day, whatever your shop timing, every day you will go as per the schedule. Your shop open time, shop closing time, you will be there. Isn't it? So that is what important. You need to have that commitment if you are really serious about starting online business, or if you're doing online business, right? You need to do this business every single day. You can take 1 day off. Apart from that, I'm talking about like any office, what do? You go do every day, whatever your timing. So if you commit that you're going to do 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, you need to do that. You need to fix your time. I'm going to work 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening, whatever the timing, you need to stick to that. That commitment is very important. If you start a shop, like any traditional business, if you get some challenges which you were not expecting, will you leave the business? No, you will not leave the business. Challenges can come in any form. You will face those challenges. You will try to overcome. You will try to solve the problems, and you will continue the business, right? You will not quit so soon, because you would have invested lakhs of money, right? Thousands of dollars you would have invested there. You need the same commitment here, right? Yes, your investment is least minimum, but that doesn't mean that if you get the blow of challenge, or if something is not working out, you quit, right? Quitting is not the solution. You need to bring that commitment. You need to work You need to sort out the problems. You need to you need to face those challenges, overcome those challenges. Then only you will win. Then only you can do this business success. So it's very important. You need to treat this business as a real business. The second principle is show up that you're hungry to earn money, and match your hunger means it's not about that I just want to earn money. Your work, your steps, your action should match your desire. That's important, right? So what you want to achieve, right? You should be hungry for that, first thing, right? You should show your hunger and match your hunger with your action, with your work. That's very important. Then only you can get success in this business, right? So because many people, everybody wants to earn money. Everybody, who will say that I don't want to earn money? Nobody will say that I don't want to earn money, right? Everybody says, but everybody don't take action, right? That is why I say it's not only about being hunger. It's about your action should match your hunger. Okay. The third principle to get success in affiliate marketing is not use your current or past situation as an excuse. Many people fail in different businesses. Whatever I am today, whatever I am earning in affiliate marketing business, it's not overnight, right? It is more than 2.5 years of hard work, the learning, the tools, it's all. And in the starting, I have also failed many times. There were many business before I started earning. There were many different programs. There were many affiliate programs which I was trying. I also failed, right? So that doesn't mean that your failure should not stop you, right? You should try new things. You should develop your skills. That you should analyze. You should learn from your past experience. You should learn from your past failures or the current situation. Doesn't matter what is your current situation or past situation. Learning from them is good, but that should not become your excuse of not taking further action. That should not become the excuse of not moving forward, right? So you should not make that as an excuse. You should not blame your situations. You should take actions, because your action only decides what you will achieve tomorrow, what kind of life you're going to live tomorrow, or what tomorrow means future. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's all about your action, right? It's not important that what is your current situation. It's not important that you're poor, you're broke, whatever the situation. Important is that what action you take now to make your future better. Okay? It's not important that you fell down. You fell down maybe with accident, but you don't get up. That's your choice. If you're not taking action to make your life or make your future better, it is absolutely your choice, and nobody else should be blamed. It's only your choice. Got it? Fourth principles is that not to blame someone else or any system. You need to think, behave like a businessman. An entrepreneur should not blame, should take the responsibility. Right? If something is not working, you should not blame. You should find the solution that how to make it work. Right? Got it? So it's too easy to blame others. It's too easy to blame platform. It's too easy to blame system. It's too easy to blame anybody else, right? Rather than taking responsibility. That's not the way entrepreneurs should behave, right? You are an entrepreneur. You are doing your business. You should take the responsibility of your result, whether it is good or bad. You should take the responsibility, right? So you should not blame. Stop blaming. This is like, I'm just sharing my personal experience. I told you in starting for almost 4 or 5 months, I was also struggling to make money in affiliate marketing business. And I was trying to find many different platform or many different businesses or something, like somebody should, some formula I get which will help me to make money. And when actually, so I was really struggling, like for 3-4 months, I was really struggling a lot. I was getting frustrated. And then, as I am, all you know that I've been speaking this many times, that when I got a very good mentor under whom I started working, and then I started learning things, and then I started getting success. the best thing I realized at that time, that initially the main reason why I was getting failed or why I was not getting success, that I was looking for something outside, right? I was looking for something, that some external formula, some external things come and make my business success. It doesn't happen like that, right? So when I learned, I realized that my business is mine. It is my business and I'm responsible for my result, and everything is inside. It's me who can make my business improve, or it's me who can make my business go down, right? So that is what important. You should not blame anyone. And so when I realized that it's me, then I started finding the way of developing myself. I started finding the ways of developing my skills, which can help me to do my business better. And that's when I started investing in myself to develop skills in me, which can help me to do business better. And the journey continues. Even today, if like whatever I do, whatever the business I do, I make sure that some or other, one or other course is always continued with me. I always invest on myself. Some training program I'm always, which is related to business, not like just random something I do. So related to my business, which can help me to improve my skills. Investing on yourself, investing on your skills is the best investment you can do. Right? So that is what important. So not to blame others. If something is not working, you need to find the ways to sort it out, to find the solution and improve your business. All right. Basic principles to get success in online business is to compare you to you, right? Don't compare with anybody else. Get inspired by someone else's result. It's good, but don't compare yourself with anybody else, because different people get different result under different conditions, right? You should not compare yourself with anybody else or anybody else's result. It's good to get inspired, right? If somebody has achieved in the same platform, same business, yes, you can also achieve, right? Find the solution, find the ways that what he is doing, learn from, get inspired, learn from them. It's important, but don't compare. Your result is your result. You got it? So do not compare. You should compare only you to you. Like, okay, last month I did this much. Now this month it has to be improvement. Last week I did this. Next week there has to be improvement. Compare with your result, not with anyone else. Always challenge your own result and improve from there. Okay. Sixth basic principles to get success in affiliate marketing business is earnestly attempt to answer all your questions on your own, right? Yes, trainers are there. Yes, people are there to help you. I find many people, what they do for every small things, they keep asking others. If you ask just one question you ask someone, that person will give you answer to that question. Tomorrow again you will get another doubt and again you will ask. Next day again you will get that, become habit. You will not learn. First find solution. First find your answer, whatever the queries you have, on your own. Give your honest attempt and then go to someone else asking for the information. Because when you try to discover, when you try to research and learn something, it's not only to that question, you learn many things in and around that. You got it? That is very important. That doesn't mean that you just keep wasting time. 1 week you're waiting for one question. Sir, I'm learning from my own. No, it's not like that, right? Do your honest attempt. And then if you're not finding, if you're not satisfied with your answer, then reach out to your senior or trainer who is guiding you, reach out to them. But have this habit of investing yourself. Like, see, anybody can teach. If suppose somebody teaches you something, you will be only limited to that, right? You should learn how to learn. That is very important, because once you learn how to learn, then there is no stopping. You can learn anything. You can find answers to any kind of questions. So it is important that to learn how to learn, because that when you learn, you will learn how to develop yourself. You will learn how to develop your skills. You will learn how to improve your business. So it's very important to learn how to learn. Okay. Next, seventh principle is to use technology. It's affiliate marketing. Online business is very, very competitive world, right? Thousands of people start affiliate marketing every day. It is very important that if you want to get success in affiliate marketing, you need to be smart. You need to work smart, and to work smart, you need to use technologies. You need to use tools. Be open to use tools. Never restrict yourself in using the tools. If you restrict yourself in using the tools and try to do most of the things manually, you will be wasting a lot of time and you will not be able to work smartly. You will not be able to get the desired result. So be ready. Always be open to use tools and technologies which are available, and best of the tools. Don't compromise on the tools. If you compromise on the tools, you will compromise on the result. Use the best of the tools to get the best of the results of your work. This is your business, right? This is your business. So when you want your business to get a desire from your business, you want a desired result, you need to treat this as a business. And for business, you need to use the technology, you need to use the tools to get the best result. Okay. And 8 principles to get success in online business is take imperfect action. Don't try to be perfect every time, especially in a starting. Don't try to be perfect. There is nothing called perfect. Commit mistakes. Take a lot of imperfect actions, because more and more imperfect actions you are going to take, more and more you are going to learn, right? Take imperfect actions. Practice, practice, practice. Then only you will learn. Then only you'll master the game of affiliate marketing. And if you want to master it, you need to practice it. Practice, practice, and practice. Be ready to commit mistakes. Doesn't matter. Nothing happens, right? You're not going to kill anyone. Just do it, right? Don't bother about making it too perfect. Don't try to be like, even if you're posting something, don't try to be, it should be best result and it should bring you hundreds of responses. If you're promoting something, don't do all those things. Whatever comes in your mind, experiment. You will experiment, then only you will learn that what is working, what is not working, how you should improve. Okay, whatever the result you are getting, do some analysis on that and improve. Okay, don't try to be too perfect in any action I'm talking about when you do affiliate marketing business. Okay. And the second last 9th principles, which I would say, is choose to get uncomfortable every day. Every day you need to challenge yourself and get uncomfortable. Don't be in your comfort zone. You have to come out of your comfort zone. Try something new every day. Try something which you're not comfortable with, but which is required for the business. It's not just for the sake of trying new things. You do random things which is related to business, which can bring you. Like, for example, if you are not comfortable in recording your videos, do record videos. Not necessarily that you're going to share with everyone, but record, right? 1 week, every day, record something, even if you're not comfortable with. Don't share. If you're not comfortable, don't share, but record. After 1 week, when you start feeling comfortable, then you share, but record videos. If you're not comfortable in writing, right? Writing content for the promotions or blogs, write. Even if you're not comfortable, don't share, but write every day, right? Whatever which is related to your online business, whichever segment you feel that you are not very comfortable with, practice that. Start practicing, right? Because there is nothing in this business which is required to be like, you should be born talented with that. There is nothing in this business. Everything about this online business or affiliate marketing business, you can learn very easily if you practice. I'm telling you, very easily. If you practice committedly and learn, you can learn anything which is related to this business. So it's all about having that attitude to learn. It's all about having attitude to practice and coming out of your comfort zone. Very, very important. Okay. And last, not the least, I have already told this also, that invest in yourself, learn, improve, and implement. If the day you start investing on yourself, means to develop your skills, to knowledge, develop your knowledge, you become an entrepreneur. when you get that, when you change that mindset that you need to invest money regularly on yourself, it can be book, it can be any training course, it can be video, it can be anything, online training, offline training, seminars, right? What do you say, offline seminar in the sense live seminar or whatever it is. You need to change this mindset. You need to invest on yourself. Invest on yourself, improve, learn, improve, and implement whatever you learn, right? And doesn't matter you are expert in something 10 years, 8 years, there is always a scope of improvement. There is nothing called perfect. There is always a scope of improvement. So even if you get 2 years, 5 years, 10 years experience, still you will have lot many things to learn and improve. So that is the thing. So these are the 10 principles which I wanted to share with all of you first today. These are very important things you need to adopt in your business, in your work, so that to get success in affiliate marketing business. All right, so that's it from me right now. And now I'm open for the question and answer. So whatever the challenges you're facing, you can ask your queries and I'm there to answer you. Okay, so some people is saying Thora Hindi bhi to. Yeah, so this session I was actually designed in English. तो अगर आप बोलिएगा तो मैं ठीक है, मैं quickly हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ, quickly करता हूँ. तो 10 प्रिंसिपल्स, जैसा मैंने बताया था कि 10 प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं, जो आपको एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अडॉप्ट करना. नंबर 1, ट्रीट दिस एज अ रियल बिजनेस. आपको ये रियल बिजनेस जैसा ट्रीट करना पड़ेगा. जो आपका कमिटमेंट, आप एक रियल जॉब करते हैं या बिजनेस करते हैं, जो आपका कमिटमेंट होता है, वो कमिटमेंट यहाँ लेके आना होगा. सीरियसली आप अगर वो कमिटेड वे में काम कीजिएगा तो यहाँ सक्सेस होगा ही होगा, राइट? दूसरा है शो अप योर हंग्री एंड मैच योर हंगर. मतलब एक होता है अंदर में भूख होना चाहिए, अंदर में वो डिजायर होना चाहिए कि हमको ये अचीव करना है, राइट? वो डिजायर होना चाहिए, तभी आप इसको अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, राइट? एंड it should not be only desire, it should not be only hunger. आपका जो एक्शन है, आपका जो एफर्ट है, वो उसको मैच करना चाहिए कि आप जो अचीव करना चाहते हैं उस हिसाब से आप एक्शन ले रहे हैं या नहीं ले रहे हैं. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. फिर तीसरा चीज है या थर्ड, कि आपका जो भी करंट सिचुएशन है या जो पुराना सिचुएशन, ये पहले का एक्सपीरियंस, उसको आप एक्सक्यूज ना बनाइए अपने बिजनेस के लिए. आप वहां से सीखिए, अच्छी बात है, बट वो आपका एक्सक्यूज नहीं होना चाहिए आगे बढ़ने के लिए. That should not be your excuse. समझना है? Whatever आपका जो भी सिचुएशन है, आपको आज आप क्या एक्शन ले रहे हैं अपना कल बेटर करने के लिए, that is important. ठीक है? दूसरा है not blame someone else, क्योंकि आपका बिजनेस वो आपके हाथ में, right? कोई जितना भी आपको ट्रेन कर दे, रिजल्ट आपके ही हाथ में है. तो आप किसी और को ब्लेम कीजिएगा, अगर ये आप सोचते हैं किसी और को ब्लेम करने का, वो एक्सक्यूज करने का, तो आप कभी इस बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होइएगा. जब आप अपने से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना शुरू कीजिएगा कि ये मेरे हाथ में है, अगर कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा, कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा, तो आई हैव टू इंप्रूव, मेरे अंदर कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए, कुछ जो मैं प्रोसेस जो फॉलो कर रहा हूं उसमें कुछ करेक्शन चाहिए, तभी आप इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. Then only compare you to you. मतलब आप किसी और के रिजल्ट से कंपेयर नहीं कीजिए, अपने रिजल्ट से ही कंपेयर कीजिए जो आपका है, किसी और का नहीं. अपने रिजल्ट से, आपने जो पिछले हफ्ते में जितना किया वहां से इंप्रूव कीजिए, पिछले महीने में जो किया उससे इंप्रूव कीजिए. सिर्फ आपका अपने से कंपैरिजन होना चाहिए. दूसरा है कि जब भी आपको कोई चीज नहीं आता या कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई डाउट है, पहले आप उसको अपने से ट्राई कीजिए, उसका आंसर फाइंड करने के लिए, सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए. उसके बाद किसी और के पास जाइए वो पूछने के लिए. क्योंकि जब आप रिसर्च करते हैं, अपने से सीखने का कोशिश करते हैं, तो आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. वही मेन सीखना होता है. यूज टेक्नोलॉजी. आप अपने टेक्नोलॉजी और टूल्स को यूज करने के लिए हमेशा ओपन रहिए, यूज करना चाहिए, तभी आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं. टेक इम्परफेक्ट एक्शन. तो कभी भी परफेक्ट एक्शन लेने का मतलब कि कोशिश मत कीजिए. जितना मिस्टेक कीजिएगा, जितना गलती कीजिएगा, आप उतना सीखिएगा. तो इम्परफेक्ट एक्शन लेने के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहिए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. सक्सेसफुल होगा ही होगा. चूज टू गेट अनकंफर्टेबल एवरी डे. एवरी डे अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आइए. जो भी स्टेप लेने में आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, जो आपके ये बिजनेस से रिलेटेड है, वो चीज कीजिए. आप वीडियो बनाइए, ब्लॉगिंग कीजिए, आर्टिकल लिखिए, प्रमोशन कीजिए, जो भी आप डिफरेंट चीज प्रैक्टिस कीजिए जो आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट विल मोल्ड यू. दैट मतलब वो आपको सिखाएगा कि कैसे अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आया जाता है. और लास्ट में कि इन्वेस्ट इन योरसेल्फ. अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, अपने सीखने में, ट्रेनिंग लेने में, कोर्सेज ज्वाइन करने में, जहां से आप कुछ सीख सकते हैं वहां इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यही 10 प्रिंसिपल्स था जो मैंने बताया, ठीक है। ओके, तो अब क्वेश्चन आंसर, लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन आंसर नाउ। Thank you so much for the motivational session. Okay, thanks Bhanu, glad you liked it. Pritam Mishra, it's easy to get sale, but in group, most of the people, when they hear about investment, they got away. So how to manage them? But in groups, most of the people, when they hear about investment, देखिए यही एक, जब भी मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में बोलता हूं, जब भी मैं पूछता हूं कि क्वेश्चन आंसर, ये सबके, ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन होता है कि मैंने ये बार बार बोल चुका हूं मैं कि जब भी मैं किसी को इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में बोलता हूं तो मना कर देता हूं, उसको कैसे हैंडल करें। तो आप अगर मेरा रिकॉर्डिंग देखिएगा, ट्रेनिंग देखिएगा, हर सेशन में यही क्वेश्चन आंसर होता है, राइट। देखिए, सब लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए रेडी नहीं होंगे, ये आपको दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा। समझ में आ गया? अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हम इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है या बिजनेस, आप एक बात बताइए हमको, जस्ट टेल मी समथिंग। ओके, सॉरी, आई एम स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी। ओके, जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, is there anyone in the world, right, who has little bit maturity also, doesn't know that there is investment required for every business? Is there anyone who doesn't know? Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that to do any business you need investment. There is no business in the world which you can do without investment or without any expenditure. Everybody knows that. You got it? So when someone tells you that I'm interested in this business, but I cannot invest, actually he is not interested in the business. Maybe because he is not interested, or maybe because the way you given the presentation, you did not make him excited, right? So you cannot have 100% success ratio, isn't it? No salesperson can have that, right? Even if you have 10% success ratio, it's huge. Only the topmost sales leaders like Grant Cardone and all, they get 10%, 15% result, right? You can, if you think that everybody, most of the people will tell you, yes, I'm interested in investment, then most of the people would have been millionaire right now. Not everybody do business. Not everybody. There are very few people, rare people only do business. Everybody wants to earn money. That is the difference. That's their mindset, right? People do business, people earn profit, people make money because of their mindset. And if people cannot change that mindset, it is no interesting. And even if they're telling you that I cannot invest, it is just that they are not interested. But if something comes in free, if I go in group and if somebody tells, this is I'm training in free, this is I'm giving in free, that is I'm giving in free, everybody comment I want. I would have down in last 2.5 years, I would have downloaded or registered for more than 500 trainings. I'm talking about free trainings. I would have registered more than 500 free trainings. I would have downloaded more than 200 ebooks, right? Which was teaching me something, but I'd never opened that. This is how it happens. Everybody say yes to something free, but they don't implement. So it is just that they were expecting something you're giving in free. They told you, okay, yes, but actually they're not interested in this business. Now they're not interested in the business. It can be two reasons. One, they did not like this business at all. Second, there is no business that everybody will like, right? So second reason can be that you did not, the way you presented or the way you explained or the way I explained, maybe in my webinar, I'm not saying that I'm the best, right? Whoever I tell, everybody accept. It doesn't happen, right? The way you or I explained the business to him, that particular person, he did not get convinced. When people don't get convinced, they don't invest, right? Everybody knows that they need. So it is not that they're going away because investment required. Everybody knows that in business, investment required. There is nobody who doesn't know that. It is, you were also, when you would have joined, you would have also expected that something free. But when you understood business, you got convinced that yes, this business can do good to me. You were ready to invest because you calculated. This is what, if you make this to understand others, if they understand that, then they will invest. So it is always, I get this question, right? There's no point of asking how to handle that. It is just that the way you explained, you have not made him excited. You have not made him convinced. Just because if you offer him something for free, he doesn't have to lose anything. He will tell you that, yes, I'm interested. But actually he's not interested, because everybody knows that if he has to do the business, he needs investment to do. Hope I have answered your question. Thank you. Rangadas Elangovan. How to do affiliate marketing using Gold Plan? Is there any video available? How to do affiliate marketing using Gold Plan? Is there any video available? Yes, there are a lot of video available. Have you attended my training? Those training, you have the training videos in the platform itself. Plus you have my trainings. I have given a step-by-step sales process, that what steps you need to take to do the sales in multiple videos. So have you enrolled for my course? I don't know. In the session number 1, in session number 3, in every session, I've given the details, like what there in the session. And you need to attend the sales process, that what is the sales process. You need to follow that, and I have given the videos and everything in the course itself. Vinay Kumar. I have around 15 people who have created an account, but no hosting fee yet. What type of email I should send them to approach them? So you can take the email swipes from somewhere. If you do not know the draft, you need to purchase that email swipes. You can send that, because I am not sharing email swipes. You can, because I don't do much actually email marketing. You can learn from the people who are expert in email marketing, and you can get to learn that. I have some certain formats, you can contact me. I can share some content with you. 15 people is too less. If you're thinking that out of 15, you're going to get a lot of hosting fees, then I think you still need to understand, right? It is not going to be so easy. 15 is too less, right? You are thinking that you've got 15 leads, and out of 15, very few, you have not got hosting. 15 is too less actually right now to even judge the result or even to analyze. So you need to get more leads first. That's number 1. But email swipes, it's a separate topic which you can learn. There are so many courses available, how to send emails, how to convert through emails. You need to invest on that and learn how to send emails on that. I do have certain formats. If you want, I can share it with you. I want to sell third-party products or to get leads for insurance. This is not a tools to use for third-party products, right? If you want to do affiliate, you can, whatever learning you're doing, you can implement this learning and knowledge for any product in affiliate marketing. But $25 OneUp is a knowledge-based program. It is not a tool to use for any other product, right? It is the knowledge what you get. It's a training program. It's a knowledge-based product. So whatever knowledge you get here, you can apply the knowledge, but this is not a tool that you can use these tools to affiliate any other program. This is not a tools. Hope I have answered your question. How to make them excited? The way you present your business, I think that showing them, making them to believe that they can earn money. I think money is the best excitement, right? So if you can make them to believe that they can really do this business, because most of the people, why they don't take action? Because they're scared of failure. So you make them to understand that yes, it's common to be scared, but that should not stop you. You're scared of, fear of failure should not stop you, right? Fear is common, everybody will have, but that should not stop you. So you make them to believe that, yes, I'm not saying that it is going to be very easy, but it is not rocket science. You could show them the steps, what they need to do, and how we can help you, how we can guide you. And with that, its result is almost guaranteed. We cannot say 100% guarantee, but almost guaranteed. So if you show them, once they believe, they get excited. Belief should be very important, that they should believe that they can get success in this business. That is the most important thing. So I think that's the best excitement which you can make. Ashok Suriji. No message in private, please. Sir, some queries without listening anything. They directly asking any investment. They're repeatedly asking one thing. So you need to tell them that there is no business. I can teach you for free. My training and my guidance and our team training and guidance is absolutely free. But to implement that training and that strategy, To do business, you need to have expenditure. Every business will have expenditure. If you are only interested in knowing about that and not knowing about the business, then I don't think you are really serious about the business. If you are really serious about the business, you will ask queries about the business. So first understand the business and then take the call, whether you are interested or not. I'm going to answer every of your queries. I think that's the way I answer. Okay. Rahul Agarwal, is there any guide how to use the dashboard to promote the business? It is regarding the new entrants gold member. Also, we can find all your training videos. So there are so many guidances there, right? If you log into your account, if any gold member log into your account, in the dashboard, there is a video which gives the complete back office tour. And in back office, when they click on gold member, and they have so many videos, how to use these tools, how to promote, how to get the links, everything is there in the platform. Over and above, we have our trainings right from the session number 1. Today is session number 12, and every recording of the session is uploaded in the training course. And if you attend starting of the session in which I've explained the sales process, everything, you will learn how to do the business. So what further guide you're looking for? I don't understand. This all guidance is already there. We have given a step-by-step process. Also tell where can we find all your training videos. Please contact your sponsor. He will tell you. I have given the link in the Facebook group also to enroll for the course, and the person has to send me message privately asking for the coupon code to get enrolled for the course. Saurabh Bhargav, should I make a landing page so I can directly send from FB directly, or take WhatsApp number like I'm doing right now? I will definitely suggest go for landing page. If you have the tools, if you know, it's always better, right? And taking WhatsApp number and sending them, it's a good option, but I feel that it delays. But if you are getting it quickly, if it's not delaying your process, you can continue to do that. You can send through WhatsApp, and I don't delay business. I do through Messenger also. Even if I have to share the link, I just put a space in between somewhere, and I guide them that to remove the space. So if you put the space in the link, Facebook, you can send that. So that's how I do. I'm not saying that this is the best way you can find, but landing page is always better because you can put your point, you can put your videos. I use landing page. So landing page is always the best way. Please show some of your conversation with you for successful clients on Messenger, how you text them and all. I have given the series of the messages in the test notepads, right? See, every person is different. You got it? It's not about having the conversation format. It's about you. I have given the complete script, series of messages given in the notepad, right? If you attend the training, in those training I have mentioned, it is there in the notepad also uploaded in the training. The problem is that you people do not want to invest time for the training. You think that, oh, 1 hour video, it's boring. So somebody should give me the ready-made sheet, text message draft. I should send that, and then this thing. And then you expect that I have done 15 leads, I've done 20 leads, I've done 30 leads and not got any single sales. This is how it happens, right? Because every individual will ask you some different question, right? It is not about, see, there are two, like when people prepare for the exam, there are 2 ways to prepare. There are 2 kinds of a student, I tell you. One student is there, like what they do, they take 10 last 5 years question paper they take, and they just prepare for all those questions, and they think that they have prepared. And one kind of a student who doesn't only prepare question answer, first he prepare on what is there in the syllabus. Each topic he prepares in such a way that ask any question out of that syllabus, and I will be able to answer that. You got it? So this is the 2 ways to prepare. Now and then he work on question answer also. Now people who, that second category which I told you, whatever question comes, he will be able to answer. The first category which I told you, who only prepare on question and answer, if you are lucky enough, the question comes according to what has come in last 5 years, you will be able to get pass, Otherwise, you will blame the system that this year pattern got changed. This is how it happens. People blame that pattern got changed. It is your choice that what you want to be. You are trying to be in this category, right? First, prepare for the syllabus so that whatever question asked, you should answer. Got it? Sir, how to tell our client what is product? What is this business? So again, the product is digital information. You have joined the business. You are not even knowing right now what is the product. Product is, it's an online training program. It's a digital information product. You got it? See, I'm sure many people know Saurabh Bhatnagar, right? All of you are from India. Most of you are from India. So I'm sure all of you know Saurabh Bhatnagar. He has recently launched a training program it is there in JVZoo about Facebook ad. So if you want to learn how to do Facebook ad, like it's not only to learn, it's about mastering the Facebook ad. He has launched a product. It's a training product. Okay, training program, and it cost $497. $500 it cost the training program, how to learn Facebook ad. Do you think that is a product or not? Training program is also a product. It's a digital information product. A book, you purchase hardcover book. Book is a product or not? Book is an information product which is in paper format you are getting. Paper is just a format. What you are getting from the book is the knowledge. That means it's an information product. Same way, if you are getting information from an online course, right? It can be ebooks, it can be online training videos, it can be anything. That's called as digital information product. $25 one up is a training program, digital information product, which gives you information, gives you knowledge how to do affiliate marketing business. Now there are different levels, starting from gold to elite level, $25 to 1,000 level. If somebody is paying $1,000, he will get much advanced training, much advanced knowledge, and much advanced resources. Somebody who's paying $25, he will get basic knowledge, basic training, basic resources. So it's a training program, knowledge training videos plus resources, how to do affiliate marketing. That's what this product is all about. It's an online training program, digital information product. Hope I have answered your question. Some people telling they are interested, but let me know once they are ready. For those some people, they are interested. Let me know once they are ready. For those people, I should do follow up frequently. Of course, you have to do follow-ups. Follow up is the key. Without follow up, you will not get sales. Follow ups is the most important thing. You have to do very closely follow ups. And follow up should not be just like that. They're asking, what happened? Are you ready to start? Are you ready to start? No. Every follow ups, you should share some information, right? Either it should be knowledge or it should be update. Update in the sense, suppose you have achieved something, share it with him. You got your sale, share it with him. You earned money, share it with him. Some of your team member earned something, they have achieved, shared something, share it with him, right? It's about keep updating positive information. Then only you will get the action. You got it? Yes. How to approach your notepad, send it to me after the meeting. There is not one notepad which I can share it with you. In my training course, after every video, below in that video itself, you can see the notepad for that session. What I use in that session, like in today's session, I'm not using notepad, so I will not upload. Last session was with Gyandev Gupta. It was not there. But first 10 session, every 10 session, notepad was used. And for every 10 session, the notepad is very much uploaded with that training course in the video itself. So where you're watching the video, there itself you have notepad. Anshul, please tell how to add your video in gold level. I know you have already mentioned in the previous training, but I tried inserting the embedded code, but it's not working. Why it's not working? It will surely work. You need to go to edit and you put the embed code and save it. It will definitely work. It depends on which funnel you are using. So it will surely work. If you want me to show you now, let me show you. And many people face this problem that which CP6 or CP4, which funnel I should use. So see, there are CP6 is the option. Then you have options like CP5. Then you have CP4. So CP4, CP5, CP6. You can see here CP4, CP5, CP6. These three are lead capture funnel. And any one of these funnel, you will have landing page attached. So what you need to do, you need to open this funnel like this. So how to get the link also people are asking. Everything is explained in the video, but people don't watch video. It is explained in the dashboard video, training video, given in $25 one up also, and it is explained in my video also. But still people keep asking that it is only half link is there, only half link is there. How to get the link? How to get the link? You can see the arrow here. You need to click on this arrow. The same link will get open in a new tab, and you need to just copy that link. So every CP6, CP4, CP5, all three one by one you should open and register with giving some fake email address and click subscribe now and check whether it is going to landing page. Whichever funnel is going to landing page, you should use that particular funnel. Okay. So in landing page, I have used my video. So let me show you landing page. So this is landing page, and here you have an edit option. So I click on edit. And in clicking edit, you have this edit option here. And you click on this edit option and then go down. See, you have this video code. You just need to put the code here. You need to select this code. You need to select this. If you select YouTube, then you should share the link. You need to select this code and then put the code here and save. It will work. It will definitely get saved. All right. So next. How to add your video in landing page? I've just answered. Sir, I'm giving follow up to someone. He said, stop sending me those messages. I'm not interested. So of course, if somebody is telling you to stop sending, you have to stop, right? If somebody tells you to stop sending messages, you have to stop. How I get your video code? How to get my video code? You have to go to my YouTube channel and you will get it there. So go to youtube.com and in YouTube, type online wisdom with Ayaz. Online wisdom with Ayaz. And here you have, you can see this. This is $25 exclusive presentation for our team. This video, $25 one up, exclusive presentation for our team. So you can open this video, pause it here and go to the share option, and in share option click embedded and you get the code here. You have to click and Control A and copy. Hope you got it. So right now I cannot disturb my own things, right? I've taught you, it is working like that. If it is not working, you contact me separately, Anshul. I have created a site, and in the blog page, I'm sharing some information about affiliate marketing. And at the end, made button for watch video. That will go to the landing page. It is good way to doing business. Yes, of course, why not? It's a good way to doing business from any different sources. If you can bring traffic, it is always good. Or I have to give more information about payment proof and all. Now that depends on your audience, right? What kind of audience you have. I always believe in giving payment proof and all in follow-ups. I think that is better way. But some of the proofs, if you can show there, I think that will attract more people. There's nothing wrong. Okay. But there are money issue to join. How to convert? Again, you are asking the same question which I've answered. People are interested, but they have money issue. You tell me one thing, that who is having 2,500 rupees issue? Do you really believe that? Then I think you are in wrong business. You need to change first your mindset first. It is very important. If you don't change your own mindset, you will not get success in the business. Do you really believe that somebody is interested in doing business, want to earn $1,000, $500, want to do business, want to make money, but he doesn't have 2,500 rupees Indian value, $35? Do you really believe that? I don't know what should I say for this. I don't know what should I say. They don't have money issue. It is just that they have not believed in your business. It is just that you have not convinced him. That's it. He's not interested. He's telling you just because somebody says you, I'm interested. Nobody should say I'm interested. If somebody is interested or not, it automatically reflects. Nobody should say I'm interested. If somebody is interested in doing, you tell me who doesn't know that they have to do business, they need money to invest. Who doesn't know that? Before you coming to know about affiliate marketing business, you were not knowing that. Everybody knows that. So please don't have this kind of belief that somebody is having money issue, right? 2,000, he will be, if you ask him which mobile he is using, he will tell you a mobile which he might have purchased in 15,000 rupees and 10,000 rupees. You think that he doesn't have 2,500 rupees for his own business? Come on. People tell there is no proper product. They tell this network marketing. I tell you one thing. This is not people say. It is there in your mind. Have you attended the training? Have you gone through have you attended the whatever the training you have in this product? You tell me that. If you would have attended this training, you would not have asked this question, because you would have experienced that what kind of information you are getting. The problem is that you don't have that understanding that the training program is not a product. You are thinking that only physical product is a product. Because your knowledge is limited. You are thinking that whatever the product I get at home, physically, only that product. And software I understand, because it's now very popular. Software, if any software is the product and physical product is the only product. You are thinking like that. Training program is not a product for you. Then what should I say? It is not that people telling you. It is just that you have not convinced. You have not believed, and you are not believed because you have not attended the training. If you attend the training, then you will come to know that what you have learned. And if you learned, you have got the information, you yourself will know. How did you learn? Because you paid the money. You purchased the training program. That's why you learned. It is just that you have not attended the training. And that's why you are asking this question. First, you need to have self-conviction is very, very important. It is just important that first you need to have the belief that this product is good. This is something product. It is just that you don't have belief that. That's why it is not people telling you. It is there in your mind. Believe me or not. Maybe this might, you might get irritated. You might feel offended. But this is the real truth. This is the real truth. It is just that now you are not clear. That's why you are thinking that people are telling you like that. They tell this is the strategy. You are saying that if they're selling a strategy, then it is even better than training, right? Training everybody gives. They don't give a strategy to do affiliate marketing. So this is, you are only answering my question. You are saying they tell this is just a strategy to do. This is something very big. People pay thousands of dollars to get that strategy to do affiliate marketing. So if you are saying that this is a strategy, then it is a very high valuable product. You should tell him thank you very much, and he should spend thousands of dollars to get that strategy. A strategy is not a joke. Training you will get in $5 also, but not a strategy. You are getting a strategy to do affiliate marketing. And if someone is telling you this is a strategy, you should say thank you very much. He has understood if this is what a strategy. Do you think somebody will give you a strategy free of cost? The strategy cost, right? It is just the strategy which is going to make you money. Don't you think it comes free of cost or what? So if it is strategy, it is even above training, right? So here basic training plus a strategy, both is there. And a strategy is very, very important. Can I share my blog link? Can you evaluate? Not here, you can send me in private. I will evaluate, but you need to give time, because you can't expect me to come back to you in 1 day or 2 days. It will take time. I can evaluate and get back to you. You can definitely share with me. Okay, any more question? Any further question? All right, then thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks all. Thanks everyone for the wonderful session. So this session will be uploaded in the training course by tomorrow. If you don't want to give your WhatsApp number for sending the link, how to send it, the link. Again, I have just answered little bit, just 5 minutes before I have answered this question, and I'm answering you again. It is just that you have not attended my training programs, right? In 2 to 3 training programs, I have clearly explained how to share your link in Facebook, in Messenger, how to share the link. And Juhi, right? You are already doing Builderall also. So you already have a landing page tools. Why can't you use the tools and create a landing page for this and use that? You already have. Why are you asking this? Because you are already using Builderall. So you have the landing page tool. It's always better to use landing page. Hope I've answered your question. Create one landing page, one page, that's it. One simple page you create and share that link. And in that page, you give the link of these things. Done, simple. Okay. All right, yeah. Yeah, Julie, I did it. Yeah, that's the way. That's it. Okay. Okay, then. Thank you very much. It's already going to be 1 hour. So enough for this today. So see you again on next Wednesday. And also I want to say some things. Yeah. So every Wednesday is the training. All right. Every Wednesday, different topics will be the training. Please attend the training. And more importantly, the training session which you have enrolled, my training course. The first session is the first important thing. Watch the first session, follow the steps. And this is what you need to guide your team members also. When the new people get sales, they are not getting that guidance. You need to guide them that watch the training, what they have paid for. First, what they have paid for. In $25 they have paid. There are some training, whatever the access they have. If they have got gold, they will have access to gold training. If they've got platinum, they will have access to gold and platinum. Whatever access they have, ask them to invest time and watch, because they have paid for the training only. They have to watch that, because when they watch, then only they will come to know what is this product and they can teach others. They can explain to others, right? 99% of the people I'm telling you, you people are not giving importance to learning. You are not watching the training videos which are there. You need to learn, watch training videos, right? When I started this business, when this particular business also, whole night I did not sleep. Whole night I did not sleep, because I was watching all the training. I was learning how to this formula, all those things. I would have lost, because that time when we started this, you know that many of our known people started this business. I lost many sales. Probably they would have joined me, right? But I just simply don't go and recommend any of my product to anyone, because I had certain that, people listen to me, I have certain value. So I should first learn. There are many programs which I do research. I don't find it value. I don't even promote, though I would have paid money. So first I find this is really valuable. This is really good based on the price, what people are paying, right? If somebody is paying $25, they cannot get the value of $1,000. Whatever the price they're paying, whether it's of money value, and whether this can be scalable, this can be saleable, whether it will create value to my team. I do all those research, I learn things, and then only I go and promote that to my team. So almost, I'm telling you, I used whatever the training access I had at that time, because that time I joined as gold. I learned everything. Next day, immediately I promoted to platinum because I believe I had in the business. So that's how I go about. So please invest time on learning, whatever in the course, in this platform. Apart from that, my course, first session they have to watch and they have to follow the steps and start the work. Because in first session, I have explained complete starting to end, overall, what they need to do. So they need to start the work. After that, every day, now this is 12th session. So this will be uploaded by tomorrow. So total 12 sessions uploaded in the video, in the course. Every day they should watch one session. Every session is 45 minutes to 1 hour, approximately. So every day, one session they should watch. Then only they will learn. Because see, like this, what happened today, every session, different people asking different questions. Of course, one question is always common, that if somebody is not ready to invest, how to handle. That question is always common, right? Maybe different day I would have explained in different ways, so you would have understood, you learn from there. But different questions are there, and that is how you will learn. So please invest time on learning. That is very, very important. Then only you can learn, then only you will understand the business, then only you will understand the product. Okay? Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone. Yeah.